Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to target an US audience on Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with logging into your account in the upper right corner. And after successfully logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side of the screen we can see all the menu options we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with some basic general tips on how to attract the US audience. Basically guys, everything you're going to need first is going to be located in your products. You need to have products that are going to attract a US audience. So if you're selling something that is not for the US marketplace and so on, then you will first have no use of it. But guys, basically in our settings option right here at the bottom of the page, left side screen, is the second menu where we can find everything we need. Basically guys, you want to go ahead and make sure that everything of yours is related to the US. So let's say in the markets option right here, you want to go ahead and add the US market, so you can go ahead and add a market right here in the upper right corner, get started with the US market, managing it, and so on. You have your ads options right here, your taxes, shipping, delivery, make sure you ship to the US, and so on. A lot of options right here need to be manageable for the US. But alongside that, as you can see right here in the community Shopify page, we can see somebody already asking the same questions, and here we have some great tips. So I suggest you go ahead and take a look at the spread right here and take a look at what this Shopify partner right here is telling us. Basically, you want to enhance your website search engine optimization to increase organic visibility in the US. Alongside that, you want to go ahead and target perimeters in Facebook and Google ads and make sure your ads are targeted to the US so that people will be able to find your shop, take advantage of audience insight tools, and so on. A lot of options right here that can help you manage your store better and attract the US audience, because there is no other way except organically guys. You can put your ads that are going to go ahead and attract US audience and so on. So all the options you need right here are in the settings and product section you need. So you need to go ahead and figure it out for yourself and find the US audience you're looking for. But yeah guys, basically that's how you can get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.